Hi Srinard, the purpose of this short video is to get this meal penalty violation thing done and right. Alright, so now we're looking at key grip. Got your hard copy here as well. Key grip. Okay, so let's count up the meal penalty values. So meal penalty violations, MPV. So the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. Bam. Second one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be 5. You're right. I think you wanted 5 there. You wanted 4. But the second one should be 5. I think. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. You're right. Should be 4. All right. The last one should be 2 there. 4 more is 6. 2 more is 8. 8. Okay, you're right. So you had second meal penalty 4. All right. So then we go best boy grip. And let's have a look here. First meal penalty goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. So the first one is 5. You're right. Second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one's 5 too. Bam, you're right. And the next one is 3. And then 5 more is 8. And 1 more is 9. Yep, 9. Chouinard, vous êtes heureuse. Okay, now we go to the last one. And we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 5. Yep, 5 pour vous, madame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aussi pour le numéro 2. 5. And then we got 3 and 4 more is 7. So 7. Bam. So vous êtes correct in every case. You got it. Okay, thanks for letting me know that there was something wrong. I'm going to try and fix that. Yeah, this was on the Montreal workshop, so it's sort of history. But thanks. I'll see what I can do to keep that straight from now on. Bye.